Meditation is an ancient practice which aims to create a harmony between the body and the mind. It helps induce relaxation and enhance overall well-being. Meditation techniques usually involve breathing exercises, relaxation methods, and spiritual practices. Meditation has many benefits for physical, mental, and psychological issues. The most common form of meditation includes mantra-based meditation, mindfulness meditation, and spiritual meditation. Recent studies have shown that mindfulness and meditation can also help with weight management. Meditation apps and tutorials are quite helpful for those looking to start meditation for weight loss at home. Some other mindful exercises can also be incorporated for better weight loss results. Yoga, intuitive eating, and acceptance-based behavior therapy can help a lot. If you need more assistance on the topic, connect with MobiDoctor today.